Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to hide your friends list in chess.com. Now, if for some reason you want to be more private when it comes to the friends list or the friends that you play with, it's actually quite easy. Sign into your account, and once you are logged in, I want you to look to the lower left corner and click on the cogwheel or settings icon. So click on this one, and this pop-up will appear. You want to click on all settings next. So click on that. Once you are on the settings page, you want to look to the settings dashboard here and click on social, right? So under social, you want to scroll down until you see privacy. So under privacy, you can actually scroll down a little bit. There's an option that says who can see my friends list. By default, it's going to say everyone. So if you want to hide your friends list, just click and just see either only my friends or nobody. If you really want to hide it to everybody, including your own friends, just click nobody and then click save. As you can see, there's a check mark. After that, you'll be good to go. Nobody can see your friends list anymore. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.